It's mind-blowing to think that my German account has, I think, 500 subscribers. But I reached enough people to have amazing projects. And that's ultimately the goal, I think. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Brufio, and today I have a topic that is really important if you want to make your passion your full-time job. I'm doing YouTube since 2008, starting as a musician who wanted to get his music out there, then evolving to recording engineer, mixing engineer, because I wanted to sound better and better and better. And then I realized, okay, I really have a passion for the recording process, the production, the mixing, the mastering, sound design. I evolved a little bit, or I derived from being a musician myself, which I still am, but as a career, and into a record producer. So the art of making music is my passion. Doesn't matter which instrument, doesn't matter which genre. I love music, that's it. And I opened this studio in 2014. Believe it or not, my first client, 2 weeks into my new studio, was a singer-songwriter from Berlin, which is really far from Munich, where I live. So I got that client because I did some research and tried Google Ads. So I did a Google ad with recording studio in Munich, professional home studio, and I uploaded 2 or 3 videos of myself performing a song. Then I showed how I made the song. If someone finds you on Google, for example, or on YouTube, doesn't matter, or they find you on Google and then they look in your YouTube, you have really the chance, without having amazing amounts of subscribers, you have the chance to be professional. If the musician, for example, if they listen to your song and say, wow, that sounds nice, then you show also how you made the song and show them your knowledge. They will trust you. And with that trust, it's far easier to say, hey, Brufio, what's up? I'm this and that. I want to record a single, and I think you're the right guy for that. Because they know me, they know my sound, they know what I do, and they trust me. That's really important. After that client, I had a church from New York reaching out to me, and I had to record the church songs, but I had to also translate them into German. Because I had an online presence there, a good website and all that stuff, they reached out to me and said, hey, you can do that, right? Do you know some singers, male, female, who can do this? Yes, of course. I did all the instrumental stuff. Then I required some singers and maybe some drummers and all that stuff, and we did amazing projects. After that, Miami. Someone from Miami, which is the other side of the world, reached out to me and said, hey, I want to make a single because I saw your video. It's mind-blowing to think that my German account has, I think, 500 subscribers. But I reached enough people to have amazing projects. And that's ultimately the goal, I think, to have paid projects that make fun. So if you put yourself out there, you have the chance to decide what you put out there. And with that content, people will, follow you. They will ask you questions. You will earn their trust. And when you are ready and they are ready, and they want to do a project, they think of you and ask you, hey, I want to do exactly that, what you did in this video, for example, or I want this sound you reached with that client. Of course, you still have to develop over 15 years, like I did, my craft. But to be honest, if you're good at something, showcase it and people will notice it. Now I give you an example what I changed. So I changed from a German channel to an English channel in 2022. I took this more serious, better editing, better ideas, better scripting. I scripted my videos out, research, read books, I took courses. So really a lot of it goes into my channel now that you're watching this video on. I have over 7,000 subscribers already. So since 2008 until 2022, I reached 500 with my German channel where I uploaded videos, but I hadn't thought everything through, or I hadn't the knowledge I have now. So, and I didn't took it as a job, YouTube, Now I'm taking it serious. I uploaded the video with the AI vocals. Maybe you saw that video. And with that video alone, I got, I think it was 5 or 6 different clients from all over the world. Texas, Germany, Switzerland. They all wanted me to sing their songs with an AI vocal overlapping it to create their demos that they want to show artists, clients. So everything I did in the video, which got 6,000 views, I think, so not that much, created 4 clients, which really paid me at the end. So there were more questions and stuff, but 4 clients that paid me with not only one song, but multiple songs. So a full month or 2 were booked with this one video. And once you understand that with a reach like 6,000 views, you build trust or show your knowledge, and people will say, hey, that's amazing, I have a song and I want to do exactly that. So to keep it simple, try your best, be as professional as possible, put in the work, make a website that is professional, a YouTube channel, and try your best. Doesn't matter what gear you have, if you are trustable and you are good at what you do, people will notice. That's why I'm happy with 7,000 subscribers, but I was also happy with 500. The more reach you have, of course, the more possibilities will occur. But even with 7,000 subscribers, I have a lot of questions, a lot of offers, a lot of this and that I can do. If you go back to my channel, my first video that I uploaded was my dream desk setup, has over 120,000 views with like hundreds of comments and likes. So people get to know you, and then they go on your channel, see, okay, one video went viral or whatever. They look at your other videos and see, okay, he can do this, he can do that, and if they need it, they will ask you. So the baby steps are the key here. Hopefully that inspires you to get going, record some videos of your craft, put it out there to the world, and hopefully with a lot of passion, you can do it with small amount of subscribers. I don't have a lot of reach and I'm still doing good with making music. And I wish that you also just trust yourself and your craft. Take care, guys. See you in the next video. Subscribe and like if you liked that video. And we see us in the next one. Peace out.